Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engineer tutorial. Do you have one of these Homelite multi-light blower with a broken pole starter cord? Today, I'm going to show you how to replace and fix the pole starter cord. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to cut this pole starter cord. So let's get started. Okay, to change the starter, we need to remove 8 screws underneath using the T20 Torx. Now using M14 socket. Okay, the next part is to remove the nut of the fan blade. But before we will do that, I need to remove the ignition lid just to prevent the accidental engine start. Because if you spin the fan blade, it might start the engine for safety reason. So now we have to just remove the nut. It's a bit tricky to remove this washer. So then the fan. The other way to remove the nut is to remove the spark plug. Using the old pole start cord, we stick the pole start cord into the engine cylinder. So I think that would be, yep, that's right. Now using the M14 socket, now we can remove the blade. Okay, that's easy, isn't it? We can just remove this one so you don't lose that. Again, using the T20 Torx, just remove this screw here. So one is the longer one. Okay. So we need to remove this top cover first. Still using the T20. Just remove the top cover. Because this is holding, these two together is holding, so it's best to take this one up first and then the bottom part. So we have 3 screws here we need to remove. Now we have access to the pole starter underneath. So here is our pulley, pole starter pulley, and we have to clean this one first before I can show you how to work on this pole starter. Now we have partially cleaned the assembly. Including the main, the engine. So here we have this pulley here. So we need to take this pulley by removing the 3 mounting screws with the retaining plates using the T20. Okay, here we have this pulley, starter pulley. and we have this starter spring or recoil spring. So that was mounted in this part here with this one here. Okay, so this is our recoil spring. So you can see that the pulley, we can easily remove the old starter cord. Let's take it off. So if you have the slippage when you pull the starter, when you have the slippage and doesn't bite, the starter doesn't bite properly, it's likely that the teeth of the pulley starter is worn out already, and you can replace that one with a new Homelite Ryobi pull starter that I purchased from US before. You can buy one of these. This is a new pull starter. So they have the same part number 518501001. This pulley is still in good shape and there's no damage in it, so we'll use this one. So we have here the new starter cord. So we just take this one out. You can buy this one off from our website as well. This is also available. So first is then grab in this end. So once you already have it, okay, just do like this one. So just pull. Okay, so now it's done. Here is we need to place the starter spring. You can lubricate this one. You can spray this one with oil or any lubricant to lubricate the spring, and just place this one like this. So this part here, okay, so now it's in. Just wind this one, just wind the pull cord clockwise and insert one end here. So just place it like that. Just wind a little bit. So now it's in. Okay. So this part here, I just remove the old cord from the starter, and just place this one. Just unwind a little bit. Just place this one here. And do the same thing. Okay, so like that. Okay, the next part is just pull the pull starter. Then just grab from inside while holding this one in place, and make one turn, and then try if it retracts properly. So I think that would be okay. Well, let's put another turn. Let's make another turn. Just grab this one. Just make another one turn. We'll hold this, so that's better. Now we can place all the retaining plates. Using the T20 screwdriver, we can screw this one. Okay. Now it's time to assemble. Okay, we just quickly identify the screws. So these 3 screws here, metal screw. This is for that 3 screws here. These 4 screws is the one on the cover, and these 8 screws here, which is a little bit shorter than that one. It's 8 screws. That's for the bottom part in here. So, and the other 4 screws plus one long one, that's the one that goes underneath the base. Okay, so now we have to assemble the unit. Okay, first is we have to put this one back. Okay. On. Doing the screws here, the 3 screws. Okay, then the cover. So just place the cover. Then we have the 4 screws. Okay. So we have here the bushing. So the next part is installing this one here. So we have the 4 screws here. Okay, so next part is the washer. Then the blade. Then washer. Then the nut. Using the M14 socket. Okay. So we don't have the spark plug yet, so not to worry about starting. So far so good. Then the cover, base cover. one more, and here. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and then we have to insert this one. So we need to put the spark plug back. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So we can start the engine. Thanks for watching our video repair tutorial for today. I hope you find it useful and you enjoy the tutorial and how to replace the broken pole starter cord. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll make more videos in the future. And see you next time. Bye for now.